what is meant by fact in issue and distinguish it from relevant fact. Under the Bhartiya Sakshya Adhiniyam 2023, courts decide disputes on the basis of facts and evidence. In every case, there are certain facts that are directly disputed between the parties, and there are some other facts that help the court in proving or disproving those disputed facts. These are called facts in issue and relevant facts. Fact in issue. A fact in issue means a fact which is directly disputed between the parties and upon which the court has to give its final decision. These facts form the main subject matter of the case. Facts in issue are facts out of which a legal right, liability, or disability arises, and therefore they become necessary for deciding the dispute. Such facts are usually affirmed by one party and denied by the other party. In simple words, facts in issue are the main facts that require proof before the court. For example, suppose A files a suit against B claiming ownership over a house and B denies A's claim. The question whether A is the owner of the house or not becomes a fact in issue because it is directly disputed and requires a decision from the court. Similarly, if A is accused of murdering B, the question whether A committed the murder becomes the fact in issue. Facts in issue are also called principal facts or factum probandum, which means the fact required to be proved. Relevant facts. Relevant facts are not themselves directly in dispute, they merely help the court in reaching a conclusion regarding facts in issue. Relevant facts are the foundation of inference regarding the main disputed facts. According to Sir James Stephen, relevancy means the connection between events as cause and effect. Relevant facts are also called evidentiary facts or factum probans, which means facts by which another fact is proved. For example, suppose A is accused of murdering B, the following facts may be relevant. A was seen near the place of occurrence. A had previously enmity with B. Blood stains were found on A's clothes. A was seen running away after the incident. These facts do not directly prove murder, but they help the court in deciding whether A committed the offense. Differences between facts in issue and relevant facts. Basis facts in issue, relevant facts. Meaning facts in issue, facts directly in dispute between parties, while relevant facts, facts connected with facts in issue. The nature of facts in issue is necessary ingredients of legal rights or liabilities, while relevant facts not necessarily ingredients of legal rights or liabilities. The purpose of facts in issue directly determine rights and liabilities, while relevant facts make the existence or non existence of fact probable. The other name of facts in issue is principal facts or factum probandum, while relevant facts known as evidentiary facts or factum probans. The position of facts in issue in case is main subject matter of dispute, while relevant facts supporting facts for the main dispute. Role of fact in issue is that the court must decide these facts, while relevant facts are those which court uses them to infer conclusion. In the matter of dispute, fact in issue says they are directly affirmed by one party and denied by another party, while relevant fact says they are not themselves in dispute. The function of fact in issue is required direct proof, while relevant facts function is to provide foundation for inference. The example of fact in issue is whether A murdered B, while the example of relevant fact is A had enmity with B. In conclusion, we can say Facts in issue are the principal facts directly disputed between the parties and requiring determination by the court, whereas relevant facts are supporting facts connected with the facts in issue and help the court draw conclusions. Fact in issue form the heart of the dispute, while relevant facts act as supporting circumstances that assist the court in reaching a fair decision.